Alright guys, after a lot of work and a lot of hours cleaning this gauge cluster, polishing the lenses, testing the clock, it's time. Have a look at this. Look how clean this thing came out to be. Look at that. It's funny that the dial is nicer shaped than the rest of the dials on the cluster, but the hands are a little faded, more faded. I was gonna restore them, like, you know what, no, I'm gonna leave that clock original. Even though the clock's not original to the car, it doesn't matter. Look how beautiful those lenses got. They're so clear and clean. You can see everything real nice now. Look at that. And then I cleaned all this. It used to be chrome. This yellow here, this all was chrome plated plastic at one time. I'm like, you know what? The face of it is not bad, but the surrounds are crappy. Remember how ugly that thing was? I spent hours cleaning this thing by hand with Q-tips. Q-tips. There's where the climate control is going to be. Interestingly, if that is a word, I think it is, the radio bezel, I'll take a walk over and look at the car. I'm getting ready, the dash prepared, I'm ready to install this thing, this gauge cluster. Have a look at this. I'll climb in the car here. Right. The radio, look how beautiful this came out. Hot dog, huh? Gayle got that for me at a thrift store. Pretty cool. Anyway, getting back to what I was saying, the radio plastic is not the same kind of plastic. So it's not yellow underneath, so you can't clean the edges. I was just going to clean the edges around here, and just so they match, but they don't. Look how nice that radio came out. Too bad it don't work. It just farts. I ain't gonna fix it. We're gonna use Gayle's Bluetooth Bose thing off the phone if we want to have the jukebox. Look at that. I'm gonna show you this. I think I can get to it with my camera. It's kind of dark in here. Look at that. Brand new glove box. Boy, was that a biatch to put in. Fits B-body, 64. Yeah, no, it needed to be trimmed. Finest original restoration parts. Yeah, not. Didn't fit like the factory one. The factory one is now, well, it's in glove box heaven because I burned all my boxes tonight. I got rid of it. And you have to knock out the plug for the light bulb. But look how beautiful that glove box came out. It's just gorgeous. That original Sure Grip sticker. Remember in my first video of this car? Oh, this thing, look at this. This car was just a mess. Talk about hours of work. Just a massive amount of hours. I cleaned the dash pad. Look how beautiful that dash pad came out. Oh, man. Now we're ready for the big treat now. Time for the gauges. Isn't that cool? Look how beautiful that turquoise is. Oh my God. All this gorgeous polished trim. Gayle did such a nice job on this trim. It looks so good. A clean headliner. Our visors. How about that? So now I gotta put the climate control stuff back in. Oh, the lighter was no good. Had power, but no good. Put a new bulb in there. That's for the climate control. It's a brand new light bulb in there. There's a brand new light bulb in the glove box. And kill me if you want, a virgin Toyota lighter, because my Dodge lighter is no good. But it's got a Toyota lighter in it. That's brand new. It's never been used. I don't plan on using it because I don't smoke in my cars. Hot damn, huh? Oh man. All right, well, I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna get this cluster in. my clock is running. It's a little fast, but I'm going to regulate it. You can regulate it in there according to the book, and I can see the adjustment for it that you can. But here's the back. Take a look at the back. I'll move these pieces out of the way so they don't fall. They're all cleaned up, ready to go. Here's the back of it. Now look at that. Before I go flip the back over, there's the little screw that you adjust the time with and set the clock. My watch customers will know this. My signature. Alright, there we go. So that's lubricated now. Works really good. All the pins are clean. And there's how the clock's installed. So, how about that, huh? COS means clean, overhaul, and service. That's how I sign all my wristwatches when I do them for customers. 31 joules is my handle. Well, it used to be my handle on the Watch You Seek forums. But the Watch You Seek forums is kind of lame, so I don't use it anymore. But there you have it, gang. How about that? 1964 Dodge Polara 500 gauge cluster. Huh? How about that? Alright guys, well it's time for me to sign out. So let's see, I don't know where I'm going to be next time, but it's time for 8 Seconds with Gayle.
Hey guys, you like what you see? You do? Fantastic. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down there for me, and you get to see a whole lot more.